Hi viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope people you will be fine. You will see the stylish, most beautiful and unique new all past videos and past long hairs with short pixie haircuts with bob haircuts ideas. And you will see the stylish, most beautiful, modern and outstanding unique new all past videos and unique new past modern and outstanding all past patterns and unique new past bob haircuts with pixie haircuts ideas on my channel. Creative and unique new all collections and past videos and unique new past long with short bob haircuts and dye lightweight hair colors, ideas, different styles. And 2020 unique new, most beautiful and outstanding all collections and past videos and unique new past long with short bob haircuts and 2020 unique new. Guys, I was the stylish unique new all collections and past videos and unique new past.
इसे आ रहे हैं
This is the stylish and unique new all collections and fabrics and outstanding unique new all collections and past videos and unique new past long with short bob haircuts and fabrics and unique new outstanding and stylish all collections and past videos and
कितने
unique
क्या नहीं
new
पता मेरी दोस्त
bob
बनी है
haircuts and
कमाल की
2020
दोस्त है
unique new
कमाल
all
की
collections and past videos and unique new
तुझसे भी
past
बहुत प्यारी है
long with short bob haircuts.
इससे प्यारी कौन हो सकता है
This was the stylish and unique new all
दिल के
past
करीब
collections
रखे
and
वही
unique
धोखा
new
देता
past
है
long
तुझे
with
मैंने दिल
short
के
bob
करीब रखा
haircuts
तूने
and
धोखा
lightweight hair colors ideas. You will see the
तुझे
stylish and
बताऊंगी
unique new all past collections and unique new past
नो
pixie haircut, short hairs with
बाद में
long bob.
बताऊंगी
Unique new all past collections and unique new past
अल्लाह
bob
पे
haircuts. Short with long bob haircuts ideas and 2020 unique new short hairs and dye lightweight hair colors ideas, modest and unique new all collections and you will see the stylish and unique new all
सबन
past
इस्लाम
collections
के
and
बाद
best
बोली
bob
नहीं
haircuts
नाराज है मुझसे
ideas. So till the next video guys, thanks for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish unique new all dye lightweight hair colors and different collections unique new 2020 and unique new all collections and best patterns and unique new best bob haircuts, different collections and unique new all amazing best patterns and unique new all best short with long haircuts ideas. So till the next video guys, thanks for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish
टेंशन में है ठीक हो जाएगा वही कर
most beautiful unique new all best
उसके
collections
पाँव
and unique new best dye lightweight hair colors in 2020 unique new all collections.
उसके अच्छे नसीब बनाए
Harrison unique new all collections and best videos and unique new best
हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा करीबी हैं
short haircut side.